Because most of us think of dietary risks as foods that we should cut out of our lives, right? Human nature abhors deprivation. So
Meet Dr. William Lee, a renowned physician, scientist, researcher, and the president and medical director of the Angiogenesis Foundation. Dr. Lee has dedicated his career to studying how the body's natural defense systems can be harnessed to prevent and treat diseases. His pioneering research in angiogenesis, the process by which new blood vessels form, has led to innovative therapies for cancer, diabetes, blindness, and cardiovascular disease. Author of the best-selling books, Eat to Beat Disease and Eat to Beat Your Diet, Dr. Lee offers a compelling narrative on how certain foods profoundly impact our health. Are you ready to uncover the 3 foods he warns against and transform your diet for the better? Welcome to Healthy Living. Let's explore why these everyday choices could be secretly sabotaging your health and discover healthier alternatives that can lead you to a vibrant, disease-free life. Starting off with number 1, sugary beverages. I am completely sure that almost 99% of you like to drink Coke or certain other drinks, but you're not aware of the danger effects it leaves on your body. Sugary beverages, including sodas, energy drinks, and even some fruit juices, are packed with high levels of sugar and empty calories. These drinks are a leading cause of obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic conditions. The problem lies in the fact that these liquids provide no nutritional value and are often consumed in large quantities. Dr. Lee highlights that consuming sugary beverages causes a rapid spike in blood glucose levels, leading to an insulin surge. This can result in insulin resistance over time, a precursor to diabetes. Moreover, the excess sugar is converted into fat, particularly around the abdomen, increasing the risk of metabolic syndrome and cardiovascular diseases. A study published in the journal Circulation found that sugary beverages significantly increase the risk of cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. Another study in the Journal of the American Medical Association reported a strong association between sugary beverage consumption and obesity among children and adolescents. Number 2, processed meats. Processed meats such as sausages, bacon, hot dogs, and deli meats have long been staples in many diets. However, they are often high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and preservatives like nitrates and nitrites. These components have been linked to an increased risk of several health issues, including heart disease, hypertension, and certain types of cancer. Dr. Lee emphasizes that the consumption of processed meats is particularly concerning due to the presence of carcinogenic compounds formed during processing and cooking. These compounds can damage DNA and promote cancer development, especially colorectal cancer. The World Health Organization classifies processed meats as Group 1 carcinogens, meaning there is sufficient evidence of their carcinogenicity in humans. A study in the British Medical Journal also found that higher consumption of processed meat is associated with increased mortality, particularly from cardiovascular diseases and cancer. Number 3, refined grains. Refined grains, found in products like white bread, white rice, pastries, and many breakfast cereals, have been stripped of their nutritious bran and germ during processing. What remains is the starchy endosperm, which lacks fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Consuming these grains can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels and contribute to weight gain and chronic diseases. Dr. Lee points out that refined grains have a high glycemic index, meaning they are quickly digested and absorbed, causing rapid fluctuations in blood glucose and insulin levels. This can increase hunger and cravings, leading to overeating and an increased risk of obesity and diabetes. A study in the New England Journal of Medicine showed that diets high in refined grains are linked to weight gain and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Research published in The Lancet indicates that low intake of whole grains and high consumption of refined grains are major dietary risk factors for mortality and morbidity globally. But it doesn't end here. It's important for your body to get the right nutrients without compromising your taste. So, here's a bonus part for you all. Water and herbal teas. To quench your thirst without compromising your health, consider taking water, at least 8 to 12 glasses a day. It is the ultimate hydration source. Water supports all bodily functions and helps maintain energy levels. Moreover, including herbal teas in your diet can be more fascinating as they are naturally caffeine-free and often rich in antioxidants. Number 2, pure shilajit. Pure shilajit is a powerful natural substance taken from the Himalayan herbs, which is an ultimate game changer for your health. Shilajit enhances your energy, sharpens your mind, and fortifies your immune system. This ancient remedy is packed with over 85 essential minerals, fulvic acid, and antioxidants that rejuvenate your body at a cellular level and make you look younger. Mix it with water, milk, or your favorite smoothie and feel the difference. Moreover, it's scientifically proven to potent health benefits. Number 3. Whole grains. Incorporating whole grains into your diet can provide sustained energy and essential nutrients. Brown rice, quinoa, farro, barley, and oats are nutrient-dense options that offer fiber, protein, and a range of vitamins and minerals. Choose products made from 100% whole grain flour to ensure you're getting the full nutritional benefits. By making conscious choices and embracing healthier alternatives, you can significantly improve your overall wellness and reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Remember, the journey to better health is a marathon, not a sprint. Each small step you take brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. And the mentor for the ultimate step guide is here. Healthy Living channel. So, if you enjoyed today's video, consider subscribing and share the video with your loved ones. You can ask any questions you have in the comments section below, and I'll personally reach you out.